JP here with Summerluff and Jeep, and today is Sunday the 19th of May. It's been a while since I've gotten to do any work. We went away to North Carolina on a family vacation and a little scouting trip. Might be moving, maybe. We'll see. But I gotta get back on the trailer because our camping trip in June 10th is fast approaching. So, not really sure what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna try and accomplish a bunch of things, and however it works out, I guess it works out. So yeah, so I hope you like this video, and any questions about the trailer, just leave them down below. I'll answer them as best I can. Alright, here we go. Gotta start doing some work because Aurelia is at a play date, so I got some free time today. Alright, let's get going. Alright, totally forgot that before I left for vacation I actually got this panel on. So I didn't show that in the last video, but I just did this real quick because we were leaving for vacation, so this is on. And my Jeep tires. So finally got them mounted on my rims. Those are going to be going on to the Jeep once I install the lift. Hopefully soon. Alright, as you can see, I got this panel on. I did that before my trip. It was glued on with the 3M adhesive that I've been using. And it's going to be welded tomorrow. I just picked up a new welder and I need to get the shielding gas from the welding supply tomorrow. Other than that, we're going to try and fab up as much, or do as much as I can today with not being able to weld, so we'll see what tasks I can accomplish. But I think the main thing we're going to try and work on is cutting all the pieces for the aluminum tongue box and the side boxes. Alright, and the other thing I might try to accomplish is putting on the hinges and the latches for the side doors and the back door. Maybe even mount them. It's very ambitious for one day, but we're gonna try. Alright, so I've decided I'm gonna start on the tongue box, and I'm gonna do some measurements, figure out the dimensions, and then start cutting out the aluminum. Alright, so this is the trailer wire hookup to the hitch. So this is where all the connections will be made for the trailer lights. I'm just gonna mount this onto the front of the area here, and I'm just going to measure to where it basically will be able to be mounted, and then that's going to be my line where I'm going to put the tongue box. So here's the box. It's going to be mounted right here. I actually made an adjustment. So this was the 29-inch line, but going across it was 10 3/8. I really don't want to have to measure that. So I made this width is now 11 inches, which brings the overall box length to 28.5 inches. This is now 34 1/4 on that side, 34 1/4 on this side, and then the back edge is 48 inches. So now I have my dimensions of my front tongue box. Alright, so I measured up on the back. The box is going to be 24 inches and it's going to slope down to the front, which is going to be 18 inches high. And I'm going to mount it flush to the back, and I'm going to kind of have like a little relief and then a little up. I guess you'll see when I cut the metal, just so that way it makes it easier to mount the hinges, and I can flush it against the back of the trailer bulkhead. Alright, so I think I got all my dimensions. Now I just got to take out the sheet of aluminum, put it all down, and then cut it out. Alright, so there it is drawn out. This is that'll be the left side, the front, then the right side. You can see how I have the relief. So I did 3 inches and then up 2 inches. So it's 24 inches from here. This is 22 inches down. And then 3 inches here. So that leaves me enough room for the hinge and then for it to flap open, and then if any other space that I need back there. So I'm going to have to cut this out now. So I got it cut out. I'm going to use the other saw. I'm going to score the 2 front lines for where the front of the box is, and then I'm going to bend the sides in to shape the box to fit over there. So that's what we're going to do right now. Just trying to fit the box on and make it what it's supposed to be, like make it fit. Alright, so got it. That's the first outside of the tongue box. So what I'm going to do now is make the bottom, and then I'm going to do the back, and then I'm going to cut the lid, and then the L piece that goes in the back. So then everything will be cut and ready to weld up hopefully tomorrow. Alright, so I'm working on now the bottom. so hopefully I measured and cut everything correctly. I'm gonna try and put the bottom pan in. Alright, take 4 with the bottom pan. I had to make a couple adjustment cuts. Alright, so I got the bottom pan in. It's not the cleanest, so I'm just going to have to weld that in. I'm going to try and do this back now. Other issue that I ran into is this relief cut finally got overstressed from taking it off and on again, so that just popped, so I'm going to have to fix that tomorrow when I weld it, so that's just another issue to deal with. So I'm going to try and cut the back to make this a fully enclosed box. Alright, so I'm going to take a little break. I haven't eaten or drank anything in quite a while, so come back out in a little bit. It's getting really windy and I think it's going to rain tonight, so I'm hoping I get all those cuts done because I just want to be able to weld the box together tomorrow and then get it done. So, alright, be back in a few minutes. Not great, not horrible. So, alright, so that's it I think for tonight. I'll show you what I got done, but I pretty much made the full box minus the lid because tomorrow I really need to weld or tack everything into place, make sure the box is nice and square before I make the lid. So that's what I'm going to work on tomorrow, is welding this all up, make the lid, and then should be good. Alright, let me show you what we did. Alright, here's the back plate, the bottom, and then those plates there are for this plate here and this plate up here. And just to give you an idea, there's the water tank. It's a little dirty because it's been in the shed, but I'm going to clean that up. But water tank's going to go there. There's the water heater. That's going to go in that opening right there. And then the slide out kitchen will be here and it's going to go out that way. I'll show you from the inside. That's where we're at. Alright, so that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, give a comment down below if you have any questions. Definitely going to get out here and work tomorrow because we've got to get this pretty much done. Big thing tomorrow is just finish welding up this, basically complete the front tongue box. Alright. Alright, so see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great weekend, and until the next video.